So when you're solving your percent proportion, you need to remember is over of equals percent over 100. So easy way to remember that, when you're taking a test, you get them all correct, what's your score going to be? 100, which is your percent. So percent, whenever you see that percent symbol, needs to go over 100. So let's look at what number is 40% of 120. So first thing I want to look at, am I given a percent?
Yes.
What percent am I given?
40.
40. So what is 40 going to go over?
Over 100.
So I have 40 over 100. Alright, so I already have half the proportion set up just by looking at the percent. Then I'm going to look, what's my other number given?
220.
What is it?
120.
120. What word is in front of that?
Of.
Of.
It's down.
Of 120. So is that going to go on the top or the bottom?
Bottom.
Bottom. So how am I going to solve that? Alondra?
120 times 40.
So I'm going to take my two diagonal numbers and I'm going to multiply them. So you got 120 times 40. And what do you get?
4,800.
4,800. After you multiply, you're going to divide by your third number. So I'm going to divide by 100. Do I even need a calculator for that?
No.
No, so stop using it. Why don't I need a calculator?
Cross out the zero.
I can cross out the zeros. What's my answer?
48.
48. So what number is 40% of 120? 48. Okay. Let's try what percent of $15 is $9? Am I given a percent?
No.
No. So when I'm not given a percent, I'm going to label it as my x. That's what I'm solving for. So I have x over 100. So then I look at my other numbers. I have 15 and 9. So where's 15 going to go? On the bottom. How do I know what's going on the bottom?
Because it's
Of 15. So where's the 9 going? On the top. Now what do I need to do?
9 times 100.
Which is?
900.
900. Then what?
900 divided by 15.
Divided by 15. That one you may use your calculator for.
60.
Gives me 60. 60 what? What was I trying to find?
60%.
Percent. Good. When you're finding that percent, you want to put the percent symbol with it, because that was where my x was. What about 12% of 85 is what number? Xavier, what am I going to do first? What's the first thing I always started with? What's the easiest thing to look for? What's my percent that I'm given? So what's that going to go over? No. What are percents out of? out of 100. So I've got 12 over 100 equals
The, of 85.
of 85. So where's 85 going?
Bottom.
Bottom.
Put an X on the
Okay, so those of you that aren't seeing that, it says of 85. So that keyword of, if I look back at the top, that of is in the bottom. That's how I know where to place it. So what goes on top here? X. Now what do I need to do?
85 times 12.
85 times 12 gives me
5,820.
what?
1,020.
1,020.
I swear that's another
I don't know what Alondra's doing.
That's another number.
Divided by what?
100.
Divide by 100 gives me 10.2. Do I need a percent sign on that one? No, because I was already given a percent. It was just asking for a number in that one. Questions so far? Let's try one more. What number is 5% of 60?
You put 5 over 100.
5 over 100. Why does 5 go over 100?
Because it's a percent.
The percent,
And you put 60 on the bottom.
60 on the bottom, and X on top. Now what?
60 times 5.
60 times 5, which is what?
300.
300. Shouldn't need your calculators for that. Divide by 100.
3.
3. Very good. Sorry, Joaquin.
Isn't in front of 5?
It is, but 5 is a percent. So it says what number is, that's what you're looking for. Kylie W? What was that? No. You're dividing by whatever number you didn't use. Because if you look back to the second one we did, we took 9 times 100 divided by 15. You're always multiplying those two diagonal numbers, and whatever you don't use is what you divide by.
So wherever the X goes, you need to check on the bottom too.
Whatever is diagonal from the
Yeah.
X is what you're dividing by. Yep. Does that make sense, Kylie? Okay. Any other questions?
No.
Hey, fill out your table of contents. Today is 39% proportion. If you don't want to use it for homework. Adam, you don't want to use your calculator for homework?
Yeah.
You just put it away.